What is the difference between ARIMAS and IMAS? Or how to use ARIMAS and IMAS? Of course, when we translate the word ARIMAS and IMAS to be in English, it had the same meaning like there is or there are. Are you see here? So in this video clip, we will learn how to use between ARIMAS and IMAS together. As you see here, we have the word ARIMAS and IMAS. Also have the same meaning, there is and there are. For the verb ARIMAS, you will use with in animating, including plant. But for the word IMAS, you can use with people and animal only. That means when you use the IMAS, you use with the thing that have a life, or can be animate. But the special thing for the animals, remember that even the plant is not an animating, but they also use animals. So that is the special for you to remember. So these are the difference between ARIMAS and IMAS. The next, let's see how to learn how to use the word ARIMAS and IMAS to create some sentence together. In here, we have a bicycle. For the bicycle in Japanese, you can say like jitensha, jitensha, or you can say faster, jitensha. Jitensha is mean bicycle, bicycle or bicycle. If you want to say, or even you want to create a sentence line, there is a bicycle. How to say the sentence line, there is a bicycle. You can say in Japanese like this, 自転車があります. Why we use あります? Because bicycle is inanimate thing. So when you use with the verb there is or there are, you should use with the word あります when you create a sentence in Japanese. So in this sentence you can say 自転車があります. 自転車があります. It means there is a bicycle. And now let's say that we want to create a question sentence like is there a bicycle? Is there a bicycle? So how to create the sentence question sentence in Japanese? For the question sentence you can say like 自転車がありますか? 自転車がありますか? Which means that is there a bicycle? That means when you want to create this question sentence, you just put ga after arimasu. That means you can say arimasu ka. It's very easy that you have to remember. The next, you learn how to say the word inu. Inu is mean dog. Dog. So when you create the sentence, there is a dog. There is a dog. So how to create a sentence like this in Japanese? In here you can say inu ga imasu. Inu ga imasu. Why we use imasu? Because the dog is animating, or the dog has a life. So you could use the word imasu. So in here we can say inu ga imasu. At the same time, if you want to create a question sentence like is there a dog? Is there a dog? So how to create a sentence like this? In Japanese, you just say inu ga imasu ka? Inu ga imasu ka? That means when you create a sentence, you just change the imasu to be imasu ka. It's very easy when you say the sentence. So remember when you create a sentence. In here, if we want to create the sentence, you see here we have the dog under the table. So when we want to create a simple sentence like there is a dog under the table. There is a dog under the table. How to say the sentence like this in Japanese language? If you want to say or create a sentence like this, you can say 机の下に犬がいます。机の下に犬がいます。机の下に is mean under the table. Square is mean table and shita is mean under. So when you say square no shita is mean under the table. Inu ga imasu, that means there is a dog. So it's very simple question. So you have to remember. Square no shita ni inu ga imasu. And at the same time, you want to make the question that is there a dog under the table? Is there a dog under the table? How to say the question like this? In here is you can say like 机の下に犬がいますか? 机の下に犬がいますか? It means that is there a dog under the table? You just change the imasu to be imasu ka. So it already changed the sentence to be the question sentence for you. So it's not compressed. So what I would like to recommend anybody learning Japanese, that when you want to make the question, you just change put ga after the word arimasu or imasu. I see here you can change the arimasu to be question. You can say arimasu ka, imasu ka. You see here you just put ga after the imasu or arimasu, but the intonation is down, so like arimasu ka, imasu ka. So please train to practice about the intonation. And the next, now is your turn to make the exercise. If you see here we have a television on the table. So if I want to create a sentence like there is a TV on the table. So how to create the sentence like this? In Japanese, in here they say square no ue ni telebi ga something. So please put imasu or arimasu in the place. You can answer this question by comment below this video clip, and we have the answer below this video clip. So before you look at the answer, please comment answer first. And it's the first question. And the second question, If you want to make the question like, is there a TV on the table? Is there a TV on the table? How to create a sentence like this in Japanese language? In here they just said square no we ni telebi ga something. So please answer the question by comment your answer with the comment below. And thank you very much. I hope that you understand well about how to use the word arimasu and imasu in Japanese language. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. We have many videos for learning Japanese language. ありがとうございました。